Uh, all right, so I'm just it take a while to load my Maya. Just wait a couple more minutes.
Just a question with assignment two.
Yeah,
Since there's a 5K polygon limit for the decor and props,
yeah,
does
yeah,
that mean the previous assignments, decor and props, if they were 5K, like within that limit, we can't go
yeah.
any further with any props in the scene or?
We supposedly that if you reusing your first assignment, it's allowed, and yeah, you not th those models should not exceed 5K limits as well.
Yeah,
So,
okay. So if we hit the 5K in our last assignment, are we allowed to create anything new for this one?
yes, you of course you can create new.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay, yeah.
yeah, yeah.
Awesome.
All right, let me just try to individually putting your stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, it's okay. Yeah, that's your can. All right, and that's I'm trying the headset. Yeah, the headset is also good. Just move this one away. Headset. What's that? Oh,
Oh, the
that's
part of the
yeah,
can, yeah.
yeah, yeah. All right. And so the keyboard, yeah, keyboard is all right.
Yeah. Might just need to size it down a bit.
Yeah, you can size it down, yeah. And the monitor, this is when, okay,
Stuff starts breaking, yeah.
yeah. This is when it's broken. So your monitor has some problems, all right. Uh, which is
I've
odd.
I've tried exporting like the monitor first and then other stuff and then the headphones and it goes all fine. But anytime
Uh,
I export something else in, it do the same, like with
all
different
right,
objects, yeah.
that's a bit, that's a bit odd.
Yeah.
Why is that? Okay, if I put the monitor in and then the headset, what's going on? Yeah, something odd with
Yeah.
uh, with these two. Okay, I haven't checked the headset, so it doesn't have any history. All right. Okay, so it shouldn't be any issue. I'm control D duplicate that. And then move it aside. Okay. Make sure. I just want to. One, two. All right. So that's this and that's that. Okay, that's the original. That's the duplicate one. I'm gonna combine them together, combine so that it becomes a single one. All right, so I have duplicate, and now if I moved in the monitor one, it doesn't. Okay. So yeah, you can use that as solution. You duplicate that before you imported the monitor, you duplicate the headset as a single one. So that's the headset. You duplicate that and somehow I suspect you didn't delete the history of the headset, some of the geometries. That causes that. So you duplicate the headset and then making it a separate one, and then you imported the uh, the monitor one. It should be all right. So I think i- it's maybe because the model you here um is actually had I don't know exactly. I can't see exactly what went wrong. Why I delete this one causing problem? No. And if I delete this one, no problem. And then if I delete this, what's that?
Oh
What's
yeah,
that?
my monitor's missing a little bit of the stand now when it, I guess, intercepted with the headphones.
Okay.
That little circle bit's just a part of the headphones, I'm assuming.
It's part of a headphone?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. Yeah, it should be all right now. All right, so it's a separate alone and then mouse. Where's the mouse?
Oh yeah.
Ah, it's too
We need to
big.
scale that
It's
down.
just it's just too big. All right, it's just too big. You might want to combine them together so that
Yeah.
the big one. Yeah. All right. And then lastly, the console. Where is it?
It's quite small. I made
Small.
sure to shrink it down.
Uh, uh, let's delete the history, center the pivot, move it. You're still having some geometries. Sure, everything is selected. Combine them together. Should select. Make sure everything is selected. Combine them together. All right. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 6 objects together. Save that as okay, I'm gonna save that as what's going
Just having a moment.
on. All right, I'm gonna save that as for Jade, and I'm gonna send it back to you
Yeah. Thank you so much, by the way.
in hours. Yeah.
Might just have to re-import the monitor when I get it back because a little
It,
back bit was missing from it.
all right. Okay.
Sorry.
No worries. Yeah. All right. So I think that solves one issue, and I want to address another issue is that I notice that you when you do the cane, you didn't actually you use the metalness workflow, but you apply the metal some texture on the metalness. That doesn't actually the effects the it does the metal the sense of metalness is not that strong.
Yeah.
I just want to address that. Maybe I should bring the so that's your
Can model, yeah.
yeah CAM model. So I noticed that you have so like a base color, you have some color, that's good. But for the metalness, you have this kind of texture. I
Oh.
Yeah, so I don't think the texture should apply here because the whole can body is a metal. So you really don't need that many. This I know you might want to simulate kind of water drop sort of effects,
Yeah.
but I don't think that that is right place to apply this texture. So you
Yeah.
might want to apply this texture to maybe to this specular one.
Okay.
Yeah, the specular one, the specular FO is actually trying to control the highlights, the reflections.
Yeah.
All right. So I think and also uh, I think the whiter the texture map is, that means more specular, the more reflection. The,
Okay.
the darker part will be less speculative. So, so for if you want to use this texture for metalness, for any differentiate some of the specular effects, you probably need to reverse that map so
Yeah.
that those drops are wider and the background is a little bit darker. And also the label part, I don't think you need that label part or this part. All right. But definitely you don't want this texture in the metalness because the whole body is a metal,
Yeah.
is a metal. So you don't really need that. All right.
Yeah, okay. I don't know how that ended up like that, but
You probably apply you
yeah.
try let me show you the actual effects if for example the teapot I have here.
Yeah.
So so you can see that if I can make this one if I use the metalness, uh, the metalness just control overall what part is so the white is whiter, the map is whiter, that part is more metal.
Yeah.
So the extreme is this case, all right? The specular one is actually other one. You have some subtle more texture apply so that you can create some kind of um, what I call the pattern or failure of differences of the surface metal mattness. So let me show you. If I apply some texture to that, so I manage texture. So apply a pattern onto that. All right. So at the moment you don't see the pattern, but if I bring it down a little bit, all right. You can't see you can't see actually. Uh, it works in combine. So this one works in combine of the roughness.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
if
I see what
you
you're trying to.
yeah
Yeah.
the roughness. So oh I shouldn't do that. All right. So maybe I shouldn't manage this none, but I instead apply to the roughness. You see that?
Okay,
Uh,
yeah.
so you are actually uh, changing the roughness will change the microscopic level of that surface. All right, as if you're doing this, you
Yeah.
you are making so the white part is of that texture uh, will be less reflective,
Hmm.
whereas the dark part is reflective. Is that the truth? Let me just double check that. Oh no no that yeah yeah. Uh, So at the moment, if I choose glossy, it's different. All right, so let me just choose. this the specular FO controls the reflection of the lights. And that one. So it's subtle. You can't
Yeah.
it's subtle, but it's just changing the highlights a little bit softer, sharper or softer. It's not in this case. It's not that obvious. But you got the idea. So for your can one, I think you don't really need any textures to that metalness
Yeah.
and slide it into one. And then if you want to apply that texture to the to change to make some differences, you might want to apply to a roughness. And then in combine of sliding the specular and the roughness, you can make some kind of subtle differences of the surface reflection.
Okay. Yeah.
Understand? Yeah.
Yeah. Awesome. Thank you.
Yeah. All right. So it's still loading. Why? I don't know. Let me just bring the still loading project. Something odd. It's something very odd on my side. I can't open the my Explorer is kind of dead. All right. Okay. It's not- Something is very odd on my side. I don't know why. It seems stuck on the saving. When I save these files in Maya, it's still saving. It's not allow me to open even in the Explorer.
Oh, okay.
Don't know why.
That's all right. Since we sort of worked out how to go about it, I can just
Once it's settled, I'll send the files through through email. All right.
okay, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. It's very odd. Why?
Yeah. I'm happy to do it on my end if it's still just not.
Yeah. So it's simple. You just duplicate. So the thing messed up is the headset and the monitor. So
Yeah.
you duplicate the headset, and then don't forget to combine them together as a single model. All right.
Yeah. Awesome. Thank you so much.
No worries. All right. So I uploaded the file on the chat. Uh, in the chat, you can download from there.
Yep. Perfect.
Yes, Miss Shani.
So- Oh yeah. For the next assignment, I haven't started it yet.
Yeah,
But what my idea was, because I was trying to link it with the first one.
yeah.
Um, would it be okay if I did like inside a watch?
Inside a watch. All right. Yeah, that's interesting idea. Yeah, why not?
Oh, okay.
So inside a watch is
Yeah, I was
uh
gonna like do the inside of a watch, but like
yeah,
kind of like in half, kind of.
s-
Like there's the face and like have the face showing half of the face and the rest the inside.
uh so right now I still cannot
Like,
imagine.
I mean, sorry, like a pocket watch. So it like opens like that.
Oh, okay. Oh, all right. Yeah. So so it's an opened watch, but you treat the inside of the opened watch as a stage, some kind of, right? So
Yeah, I
you
was gonna do it like that you can like see the mechanisms in
uh,
it.
okay. Yeah, good. Yeah.
Is that
So
like is that a diorama? I don't
oh,
know.
it depends. So if you put that in, so like you have a little character in, you have some kind of props and distribute within that environment. You treat that opened watch as a kind of large kind of arena or stage. So on
Yeah,
top of that,
like
you
not
have
not
yeah
like a little watch. It'll be like as if you can like walk in it.
yeah of course. Why
Like you
not?
can
Yeah.
walk through it.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, like a giant pocket watch.
Giant pocket watch. That sounds great. That sounds great. Yeah, good.
Okay. Yeah, I
Yeah,
wasn't sure if that was a diorama because I didn't really get what that
that
is.
is a diorama because to me it's like a very large. Yeah, it's a very large house that, but it's like a watch. like a watch body. So it's all it counts
Okay.
as a diorama. Yeah, sure.
Yeah,
But
that was
but
my
you
question before I started on it.
all right.
Yeah. All
So
right.
that giant open pocket watch is your diorama. So what's inside? What's inside?
So it'll be like, so there's the glass that
Yeah,
opens,
yeah, yeah.
and here's the face. Uh,
What face?
the face of the,
So the face
yeah.
to you that's a flaw, right? That becomes a flaw.
So the face. Oh, okay. Yeah, cute. Okay. Sorry, my baby's. Um, so it'll show the face
Yeah,
of the clock.
yeah,
Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's cute. All right. So it'll show the face of the clock,
yeah.
but just half of the face. And then, like, the other layers, you can see down into the gears.
All right.
So I won't show like the whole face. I'll show like half of the face on the top layers.
Yeah.
And then the bottom layers, you can see down into the gears.
Okay.
And it'll be like a skeleton type watch.
All right. Yep. All right.
Is that, yeah, is that okay? Or do you have to come up with something else?
Mm,
So you'd see like the hands, like you'll see the different layers. You'll see the top bit of the face with the
yeah.
numbers on, and
Yeah.
then you'll see what those numbers are on, like could be gold or something. And you
Yeah.
see the hands, and then like different gears and
Yeah.
mechanisms.
Yeah. You see the inside structure of that
Yeah.
watch. Yeah.
Yeah,
Inside.
like just the different
So it's
layers.
so you're not gonna making it so you're actually just trying to have a sort of a fly through zooming into the inner structure of a watch. It's
Yeah,
just
kind of.
you just want to construct the whole watch inside. All right. Okay. Mm.
Yeah.
When I say diorama, I mean that it's kind of like environment that people can walk through. So if it's a
Oh, so a diorama is
it's an environment for
it's
the
an environment.
and it's an environment. So when you say you use that pocket watch, my imagination is that oh, you treat that environment as if it's a big environment, and but that means you might want to add it on top of that some kind of fictional like a character or furniture or somewhat like a human being or a humanoid character can walk through something like that. Can 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 you imagine that?
So can we do characters in this one?
Not necessarily, no, because it's the next course. But if you want to put a humanoid sort of character inside, yeah, that's fine. If you can find yeah, or create, preferably create a character in
Well, my idea was that it is a giant watch that you can like walk through.
work through. All right. So then you follow that idea. Follow that idea. So you treat don't just construct the inner structure, the watch's mechanical gears
Okay.
inner structure, but also you on top of that you might want to, for example, you add a character inside, or
Yeah.
as if the character is walking inside that.
Yeah. Well, my other idea was to have a like a little house in it, like
Oh yeah, you yeah.
set
If
up.
you place a house or furniture
Yeah, that's
inside,
what I mean. Like the watch is the little house
that's good.
because
Good.
Because I seen this guy like, well, like I was thinking about it, and then I came across some pictures when I was looking at watches. He put little worlds. He creates
Oh,
little worlds and
all right.
puts them in the watches.
Can you show
And
me? Can you show me
I
the
was thinking, yeah,
example?
that's what I was like thinking what to do, and
Yeah,
it looked pretty good.
yeah.
But yeah, if I couldn't, if the first
You
one
can
wasn't,
you can somehow twist the idea into some kind of you create that watch the interior watch structure, but treat it as some kind of environment, some kind of maybe a house or bedroom of some virtual character or some. Yeah, that'd be great.
yeah, okay, I'll do that then.
Yeah.
Yeah, all right then. Yeah, that's what I just wanted to clarify. And
Yeah.
also, and one other question is, the you know how I was having trouble with normal maps
Yeah. Yeah.
in the first one?
Yeah.
Do you know why the hotkey one wouldn't work for me?
Hockey one. All right. So can you show me? I tried to find your assignment, first assignment. I didn't find it. Let me just.
I'm on
Yeah.
my laptop right now. My computer doesn't have a webcam, so I
uh,
can't like go. I
okay.
can't share my screen to my computer.
All right. All right. Let me just grab
My
your.
one was the watchmaker's desk. Yeah.
Oh, which packet there? Yeah, I remember that one. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Sorry, wait.
Okay. Yeah. Let me just
Sorry.
share this one. That's yours, right? All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, that's good. Um, just grab that. So, are so you can see that you have some textures applied to bump map. I'm just wondering why can't you just make so with using this texture again, try to make a normal map out of that. So it will be much better apply this texture to the normal map rather than the bump map.
Yeah, so what was happening was when I wanted to create normal maps, the hotkey wasn't working to put it on low display.
All right.
So then when
Do you have
I
that texture? Do you have that texture? Send me the texture. I might need to demonstrate that to you.
oh, okay. Um I'll have to turn my computer on
Okay.
and stuff. Yeah,
Yes.
so what was happening was it wasn't I couldn't put it on low display, and when I put it on when I switched off the smooth mesh preview, it still wasn't going on low display. So then I transferred it anyway to Blender to try and like do something on it. But then when it gets to Blender, it's black and you can't do anything. Yeah, I
All
couldn't
right.
like I couldn't do the texture on there. That's why I had to use the bump map.
All right.
And I was just wondering, like, do you know why that wasn't working?
You can create. Let me just try to find a. You can if you have that texture, you send it to me. I can show you how I can in Photoshop. You can create a bump map out of that. So so send me this texture you have when you applied to the bump map, and I'll take from there. Right?
Okay. I'm just turning my computer on.
TJ, hello TJ. You got any question for me?
It just my computer stopped working. So I'm just having difficulties because I had all my stuff on my computer, and so I don't even know how to back up my stuff on my computer.
All right. So your computer is right now it's in the shop to be fixed?
Um, I've got it with me now because I've got to send it to Apple.
Okay.
But the keys don't work. I can't type anything on the keyboard to even log in.
Okay. So right now you what you want to do?
Um, I'm not sure. I'm sure I might need an extension because my computer is going to be away for like a week and a bit
All
for
right.
Apple to fix
Yeah,
it.
yeah, yeah, yeah. You just put in your extension application. I'll approve that. But meanwhile, you might plan to do your next assignment on the lab computer, maybe. So in that case, you need to send out all your current all your Maya project files to your lab computer. So to do that, it's simple. You just zip the project, zip your Maya project, and then transfer the file to the lab
Yeah.
computer. And
Hopefully I can do that. I just need to figure out a way to log onto my computer because I need a like separate keyboard to plug into my computer so I can log in because the
oh,
keyboard doesn't work.
all right, yeah. But so try to find a keyboard. You just plug it in. You should be able to do that. Yeah.
Just a question if that's okay.
Yeah.
Would I be able to share my screen so I could explain it a bit better?
Yeah, sure.
Um, there it goes. Just back in Sketchfab, I
Yeah.
finally got all of them in there.
Yeah, yeah.
Um, when I select these ones, they all highlight together. Is that because I've used the same?
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
Yeah.
Does that mean I have
So
to go back into my
you
own?
go back to Maya, assign them different materials.
Okay, will that affect
Yeah, that will fix that.
yeah, I was just wondering if that'll affect what I did in Substance Painter.
Yeah. This happens because you by default you probably using the Lambert material for all of them. So
Yeah,
if they share the same material nodes in Sketchfab, Sketchfab just pick that. Okay, that's the same
gotcha.
material. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, all right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So any separate parts, you assign different material nodes. Yeah.
Yeah, gotcha.
Yeah.
I just emailed you. Is that I
Yeah.
emailed
Yeah.
you an
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
object?
Yeah. Okay. But I don't need OBJ file. I need that texture file. Just the
Texture
text.
file.
Yeah, that texture file you used for the bump map.
Oh.
Can I have that? Yeah.
Oh. Does it save somewhere?
Probably in your project file, Maya project file, the source image, something. Yeah, you need to find out that. Where did you originally obtain that?
In Maya. It was just a what did I do? Yeah, it was just the bump that I added.
Yeah, I mean you know. Yeah. All right. So
Hang on. Oh,
you
that's right.
which texture file you are using for the
I
bump map?
actually no, it's not on this one. Hang on.
When you upload it to Sketchfab, you must have a file. You must have a texture file.
Yeah,
where is that texture file?
I don't know. Because the one I just sent you isn't the right one.
The one you sent me is the OBJ, which is the object file. I don't need that. I need that texture file. It must be in your Maya project. You can open your Maya project and try to, maybe it's under source images. You probably can see that which is a wooden texture file.
I don't know where it is. I'll have to have a look for it and then I'll email.
All right.
I can't find it. Even the one I put on Sketchfab, can't find it. Uh, when I find it, I'll email it to you.
All right. Let me just try to find.
That's weird. Oh, what about the FBX file?
I don't need the model file. I just need that image file, that image texture file, the one you used for the bump map. It should be somewhere in your project.
No, what I did was I just how did I do it? I used bump mapping. Yeah, I went to bump mapping
Yeah.
and I clicked on wood.
Right now, can you share your screen and log into your Sketchfab? Because
Wait,
log
did
into
I
your
use
Sketchfab account. So share your screen that you and log on to your Sketchfab account, and get to the to the desk you are create you uploaded.
Okay. I'll just open my Sketchfab. Okay.
All right. So now click on the edit. Go inside, click on the edit 3D settings so that you can get access to the material nodes.
Sorry, go to where?
Yeah, let me just so what your watch text on top, you should have a edit 3D settings. Is there anywhere you can click that?
Oh,
Yeah.
I think I need to log in.
Yeah, you need to log in. Yeah.
Okay. Um, I can't see because this is in the way. Um, okay, 1 second.
Yeah, no worries.
Um, sorry, hold on.
Yeah.
I'm trying to find. Oh, that's right. I couldn't remember what I logged it in as. Because I already had a Epic account.
Yeah.
Hang on. I'm just trying to log in. Um, nope, it's the wrong one. Sorry.
All right. So uh, skip that. Let me just show you what I'm trying to demonstrate to you. All right. Uh,
Yeah, okay.
yeah. So you stop sharing. I'm gonna share my screen. All right. All right. So let me just gonna share my screen so that you see what I'm trying to do. So like I obtain a. Can you see me? Can you see? Can you see the
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
So I obtained a online a free texture map of a wood texture like this. All right. So I want to do is that turn it into a normal map. So to do that, you need to before I actually in one of my video tutorial I did that in Photoshop, but right now I remember that the Photoshop disabled that. But there's a way to get around with this. So if you go to that photop.com, it's actually a Photoshop. It's actually an equivalent of Photoshop. And it still has that function. So I suggest you to do it, to go there. So
Oh, yeah.
you don't really
Yeah,
need.
I did try to do it in Photoshop, but yeah, it said
Yeah.
that.
Yeah, Photoshop, I found out Photoshop disabled that, which is annoying.
Yeah.
So now you can go to the photop.com, which is equivalent to online freeware, equivalent of Photoshop, and it has this function. So you open that file, you can see that the texture file, and then you go to filter, 3D, normal map. It will turn into a normal map. It's not doing that. Why? Uh-oh. No. Eh, Okay, close it. So let me just reopen that. Open that. All right, so I'm going go to the filter 3D normal map. So you see you have a little bit control
Oh, wow. Okay.
yeah, a little bit control over that as well. You can increase the amount of that. You can have a little bit. So say you have that, and you can save this, save export as whatever the format you want, and save it. Save would texture save it. So I already saved one. So that's the one I saved. So I don't need to do that. Okay. Now, if you go back to so this is my teapot. I actually apply the texture. I upload the texture to the normal map. Instead of bump map, I go to the normal map. I manage the texture, import the texture. You upload the texture you want, and uploaded that. You're gonna use that texture. And then you can actually do a little bit adjustment of its UV transformation. So actually I can fine tuning that a little bit. So as you can see, once you get to the surface, you can see you create this groove sort of effect. See that?
Yes.
That
Okay.
that's what I mean. That's what I mean by actually apply this texture to your normal map for creating some kind of surface relief for your desktop for your
Okay, yeah.
desktop. And once you adjust it a little bit further, you can actually you see that. That's what
Yeah.
I mean. You need to apply that texture not to the bump map. To the bump map, it's fake. It's totally different. But in this case,
Yeah.
it's still
Okay.
it's still okay. It's still usable.
All right. Yeah, I'll use that photop.com.
Yeah, photopea.com to do that. All right.
All right. Yeah, and I'll go with that idea that we were talking about.
The pocket watch as a environment. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, that was my two questions. So I'll just I'll do it. I'll use Photop.
Use photopea instead.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That just seemed really simple.
Yeah.
I had so much trouble doing the normal map, just nothing was working.
You can get around. It's always if you're stuck on something, just reach out. I can help you. But yeah, for in this case, it's not that big problem. You can get around using other software to get your normal map. Yeah.
Yeah. Um, yeah, all right then. Cool. Yeah, when I wanted to do sculpting, that was an issue that it wouldn't go back to the low quality
All right.
display.
So you can't bake it, right? You can't
Sorry?
bake the texture.
I tried doing that, but it wasn't going to low quality.
All right.
Yeah, it just wasn't working. I looked it up and they said if I already put it on, changed it to smooth mesh,
Yeah.
you couldn't change it back.
All
Like
right.
instead of just viewing it as smooth mesh, that can
Yeah.
change it back. But if you actually change the design to smooth, well, then you can't switch back to the low quality view.
All
So
right.
I'm thinking maybe I did that.
So you
I don't-
smooth the low polygon to higher resolution.
Yeah, I'm thinking that's what happened because I was trying to look it up.
Okay.
Yeah, because I couldn't switch back to the low quality
Okay.
to do some sculpting.
All right.
Because then when I put it to Blender, it would be all black.
The black. Did I told you maybe the other students? You just need to adjust in Blender that material nodes a little bit. you move you make the color brighter. It's actually fixable. I remember I put it on one of the student has the similar problem. I tell them how to do that. I tell it how to do that. I put it there in the in the uh, in the Q&A forum somewhere. Uh,
And then when I try to sculpt, you couldn't see anything.
no, I can't find it. All right. So what was the question again?
When I was putting it to Blender, it wasn't low quality. Like I couldn't put it on low quality to sculpt it.
So can you show
It
me?
was going across as the smooth mesh.
Smooth match. So it's a high resolution model already.
Yeah,
When
it
you
was
put
going across as that.
all right. So but you can't sculpt on it, can you?
No,
You can't.
and it's really hard to see because it's not that white or gray color.
All
It,
right.
it
Okay.
comes out as like this shiny black kind of color.
Okay. Shiny black kind of color. Okay, I understand. Let me just find the video I did for the one of the students having similar problem. I showed him it's just you need to just adjust the material nodes in Blender. Uh, just where's that video I recorded? Um,
Oh yeah, but then remember at the end I couldn't put it to Sketchfab, so then I had to change it to Blinn and Lambert. So maybe that was the issue because I was using the AI standard surface.
all right. Yeah, standard surface. It doesn't matter which material nodes you're using in Maya. Once you upload it to Sketchfab, you are actually using Sketchfab's material nodes, whatever the nodes is.
No, but like maybe that surface doesn't work in Blender properly. It wasn't working in Sketchfab. I remember I had to change all the surfaces.
All right.
That surface didn't work for Sketchfab, so I had to just change it all to Lambert and Blinn.
Yeah. Uh, I think you're confusing with other problems. You for your for the are you talking about that barrel tutorials in week 3 or 4?
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
the barrel the plank wood tutorial, right? The plank wood tutorial, yeah. That tutorial says in Blend you when you import into Blender the tutorial is try to teach you how to sculpt it on the surface, some of the textures on the surfaces, and then you can you can import it back the high resolution of that plank wood and import it back to Maya to bake a normal map out of it. That's the whole purpose of the tutorial. If you can't make that, you can't pass that tutorial, it's fine. You just skip that. You just skip that. Uh, as I show you just before, you can still create normal maps by using some existing textures and apply to the surface.
Yeah.
So
I'm just gonna do it that way.
you do that way. You do that way. If you
Yep.
can't nail the one I teach you, the reason I teach you I taught you in that video is that sometimes you want to manually create the grooves, create the
Yeah, that's what I wanted to do.
yeah, sometimes you need to do that. You need to, but you hit some obstacles. So one of the obstacle is that in Blender, the current Blender doesn't actually show the material automatically into white. So you need to manually adjust the material nodes in Blender. I don't have Blender here right now, so I can't demonstrate to you.
Oh, okay.
So it's actually easy fix. You get to the material nodes and just slide the color a little bit lighter, and it will become more not the black one. Because at the moment, one of the students asked the same question. One of the students, I actually taught him the in the video. I should find that video later on. I will send it to you.
Okay.
In that video, you actually choose select that model in Blender, and there's a button that is for controlling the material nodes. Click that, and you have a slider that slide the color of that material. Slide it to brighter color, and then you can see not the black one, not the black material. So
All right. Yeah. Can I have that? Can I have the video,
I'll
please?
go back tonight and find out on my home computer. I send it through. All right.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
All right. Well, that's it from me.
Okay. Good.
Thank you.
No worries.
All right. Bye.
Bye. Did you successfully transfer the files?
Not yet, because I need to go to the library to connect my computer to a keyboard, because I don't actually have a spare keyboard to plug into my computer.
Okay.
Yeah.
But you can use any keyboard in the lab.
No, because I can't, there's no way to connect it. Like, these cords are all the way down, like connected down. Like, I don't have the USB to connect it into my computer.
All right. Okay. Yeah. You just need a USB keyboard.
Yeah.
No worries. Okay, hold it, Jade. What's the question now? So it's
Oh,
it's
I
getting
have,
orderly.
yeah, I have everything in Sketchfab as separate materials, but
Mm.
reapplying those textures,
Yeah.
they're just now sitting very oddly. They're not
You mean the
applying.
position? You mean the position? Okay.
Yeah.
The texture. Okay. Let me show you. You can control the texture position.
Oh, okay.
And so on Sketchfab, right, just let me just share my screen. So that's the teapot. So remember I show you the texture I applied here.
Yeah.
So you can manage the texture transformation nodes here to control its position. So if you open that, let me just put this away. So if we open that, you can see that manage texture. Yeah. So see that UV transformation,
Yeah.
and you can control its scale. You see the maybe you. It's better to apply the texture to somewhere else. Otherwise,
Yeah.
okay. Let me just show you how do I apply maybe textures, image textures, this one. Okay, so so now as you can see the texture is applied to the so why is it so shiny? I think all right. So okay, yeah. So now I can control the texture position by actually go there, see the UV and the rotation and offset, all that.
Yeah.
And first thing I can just decrease the UV so that the pattern will be uh, the size of the pattern. But you can see it has seam here, and
Yeah.
you can rotate it's going to rotate. The rotation is just rotate the texture to certain, but usually you don't need to change that. And you also can actually adjust the UV position. So U position is horizontal, V position is a vertical. See, and
Okay. Yeah.
so by combining this, so you either adjust its scales like this, and also its position, offset its position like this to control the texture on the surface.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
That'll be an easy fix, thank God.
Yeah. It's it's not that difficult. It's actually
Yeah.
once you know, it's not that difficult. Yeah. Mm.
Oh, it's already looking better. Thank you.
Yeah. Good, good, good. Hi, Jade. I'm gonna wrap this one up a little bit early. I have some kind of urgent matter to deal with, if you don't mind.
Yeah, no, that's no worries. Thank you for your help.
Yeah, no worries. Okay. Any new problems, just shoot emails. All right.
Awesome. Thank you.
No worries. See ya.
Bye.